To the right of this system, mild air pushing into the region from the south, but behind it, we're seeing some very cold air pushing in. So that's how we're going to start off the work week Monday. And Monday morning, many of us dropping below freezing. Initially today, though, you're heading out and we're seeing clear skies out there. Sunrise has occurred already, so you're seeing that mostly sunny sky before clouds push in from the west and eventually, of course, that rain. But it's looking mainly dry for much of today. We move through our futurecast, and although clouds are gathering by this afternoon, the shower chance mainly holding off until after 5-6 o'clock. So it's not until after sunset that the showers arrive, and through the night, some areas of downpours looking to develop. Tomorrow morning, scattered areas of heavier rainfall possible, not looking quite as widespread, but still lingering until we move into tomorrow afternoon. And here it is, clearing out and drying out completely for the area, although the gusty wind is looking to linger. That's why with our wind advisory, it goes into effect late tonight around 10. It continues through 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. Wind gusts near 50 miles per hour possible as we move down through the south coast and onto the Cape and Islands, although elsewhere gusty winds are expected over 40 miles per hour likely. So today, though, the wind not as much of a concern. High temperatures reaching toward 50 tonight. Temperatures building through the 50s and into the mid 50s by tomorrow morning as the rain arrives and the gusty winds. And the wind gust has us concerned for tomorrow, which is why we have highlighted it as an impact weather day, mainly as we move down to the south. Those wind gusts near 50 miles per hour, especially in the morning hours. By the afternoon, starting to see some of that weakening, but still gusty right on through tomorrow night and into Monday. Cooling down for Monday with a high near 40. And as we preview Thanksgiving Day Thursday, sunny but cool. Highs just about 40 degrees.